Music. Citizens Bank or First Citizens Bank? Which one's right for you? We'll compare both, helping you decide. Product links are below. Let's dive into the features and see which bank fits your needs. Citizens Bank offers a wide array of services for personal and small business banking. With a vast Northeast branch network, it's ideal for in-person banking. Its robust digital platform includes mobile check deposit, bill pay, and account management. They offer competitive checking, savings, credit cards, loans, and mortgages. For businesses, Citizens provides checking, cash management, and lending, focusing on small business owners. It blends in-person and digital banking seamlessly. First Citizens Bank, while regionally focused, offers personalized service and a strong community presence, particularly in the Southeast and West Coast. They offer a full suite of personal banking services, including checking, savings, credit cards, mortgages, and personal loans. They also specialize in wealth management and investment services, catering to complex financial needs. For businesses, First Citizens offers commercial lending and business checking, serving both small and medium-sized enterprises. Their solid digital platform and mobile app offer convenient financial management tools. So, Citizens Bank is great for extensive branch access and a solid range of services. If personalized service or complex financial needs are your priority, First Citizens Bank might be a better fit. Explore the links below to see which bank suits you best.